Hey everyone, I am Satyam and you are watching Satyam The Techphile. I am really excited to have you here because on this channel I will be sharing a lots of interesting projects and experiments related to robotics, IoT and embedded system. We will start from simple beginner friendly projects and gradually move towards advanced system step by step. So I will be using microcontrollers like Arduino UNO, Nano, ESP32 and ESP8266. We will learn how to connect sensor and control devices, even automate smart system, and my goal is to make technology easy and enjoyable for everyone who loves building and creating new things. So if you are someone who is curious about how things work or you just love experimenting with electronics, so make sure to subscribe and join me on this journey for learning and innovation. So welcome again, Satyam The Techphile, where ideas turn into real working projects.